Hey, what's up everyone? Tim from PoolProAnswers.com. Thanks for tuning in one more time. I just wanted to show you real quickly how to empty out a pump basket. This is on a SuperFlo variable speed. I know sometimes us as pool professionals, we gloss over what we might deem to be the easy stuff, but you, the do-it-yourselfer, you might struggle with some of these things. So I figured I'd throw a few little what we might term easy things at you just to help you out a little bit. So let's go check it out. So here's a newly installed Pentair SuperFlo variable speed. You can see the right there. So we can see there's a little bit of stuff in there that needs to be cleaned out. Sorry, I got my shadow in there. So here's how we service this pump. This pump has the timer built into it right here on the back. So you just simply hit the stop button. We'll come back over here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Pop that off. It's easy as that. So don't smack these too hard. They get brittle after a while. That should be fine. Put that in. It's brand new, so there's nothing wrong with the lid, but I'd like to take a quick look anyway. Okay, that's it. And then we go hit start to get it going again. I just wanted to show you, probably saw some other old equipment sitting here. This is an old style brass pot pump. That's what the other pump replaced. Just wanted to show you how to take these ones off if you happen to have one. You unscrew these guys right here and it slides straight off just like that. Oops, sorry, got the finger in the way. So you can see this one does have an O-ring. Some of the older ones don't have O-rings on them. So you always want to inspect the O-ring, make sure it's not cracked, and then you tighten that down. This guy's going to the scrap yard, recycle bin, whatever you want to call it, but that's how you do it. So come back over here, hit start. You see it's going through its little process. Make sure there's a little bit of water in there to start everything off, that way it can prime, and that's it. Always check this, see if there's, make sure there's nothing coming out. We're good to go. Hey, thanks for tuning in once again to PoolProAnswers.com. My name is Tim once again. Hey, if you found this content to be of any value, please make sure to like it, and if you can, subscribe if you're so inclined, and make sure to hit that bell notification. Thanks a bunch. We'll see you next time.